Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to take a door handle off a 2015 Subaru. And most Subarus will be the same, except for they might have a sensor right here, and all you got to do is disconnect the wiring. And you got to do the same thing anyway. So the first thing you got to do is take the door panel off. And I already have a video showing how to take the door panel off. So the next thing you got to do is you want to take this black plug out, and what you want to use is a plastic fork of some kind. Get behind it and just pluck it out of there. I kind of already got it out because I knew I was going to do the one-hander. Next thing you got to do is grab yourself a number 10 Torx, and as you can see deep in there, there's a Torx. So we're gonna take that off quick. Got you on the stand. Nothing big. Now the nut stays in there, so don't expect it to come out. You just screw it until it can't go no more. Now, next step is we got to get this insert out. Now you can wiggle on it a little bit if you want, and it'll come out. Now, if we were doing the driver's door, that's going to have the lock cylinder in it. It's going to be the same thing. If you can't get it out, put the key in there, turn it a little bit, and it'll just come out. So anyway, we got that out. Next step, let's try to get the door handle out. Okay, it's not coming out. So now we got to take and loosen up this little yellow deal. Now sometimes you can just yank on it and it'll release, but most of the time you got to get a screwdriver underneath it just a little bit and pull at the same time, and that's it. Now it's released. So then the next step, is to basically pull on the handle. She's out. And then these little guys, they just come out, no big deal. So that is how you take a door handle off a 2015 Subaru. So let's just say we want to put her back together. No big deal. We got like a little insert here and a little insert here. Now basically it just kind of holds this gasket in place. So what I like to do is I like to get it in on that side, no big deal, and then I'll just lay in there. Now this one here has the insert here, but then it's got little catches here. So I just like to throw it in here first and just push it down. It'll lay flat. Now, pretty base, to get the handle in there, you want to get it in kind of like that, and then hold on, pretty hard to do. So you want to get it in and just shove it forward. It's hard to do with one hand. It's not that big of a deal. So I'll take it back out again. Now to get it in, just kind of get it, kind of tilt it in like that, and just work it in. If it's not laying flat like that, it's not in. I'm going to make sure this gasket's back in its little dealy bob. So now we got to put the insert in. Should just go right in, piece of cake. Don't force it. And then just tighten up the Torx. Tighten up the Torx, which is no big deal. I just kind of hold the cover, and it usually just goes right in. And if it doesn't, then it's not sitting in there right. So you just snug it up. Put your black plug back in. And don't forget to lock it in place. I don't think it's the end of the world if you forget, but it's better just to lock it in place. Now, like I said, I did a video previous on how to take the door panel off. Simple. Yeah, if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me grow, slow but sure. Ring the bell, share the video if you know somebody who needs to take a handle off their Subaru. And like I said, other years, if it looks the same, it'll be the same. Except, like I say, there might be some wiring involved. Usually on the newer ones, there's a little sensor here. And that's the same thing. You take door handle out, you got to do the door panel, disconnect the wire, put it back together, done deal. But anyway, I appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, sharing, and I'll catch you on the next video. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you.